Hook. But wait, this is actually the same Deadpool game. No remaster, no graphics overhaul, just one Reshade preset. In less than 3 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to install it and transform your game from this to this. If you're still playing Deadpool on PC, you probably know the gameplay still holds up, but the graphics definitely show their age. The Reshade preset I'm using makes the game look much cleaner, with better colors, improved lighting, sharper details, and a more modern overall appearance. In this video, I'll show you every step, from the files you'll need to installing the preset, activating it in-game, and finally, comparing the original graphics with the enhanced version. Required files. To get started, you'll need 2 things. First is the official Reshade installer. Second is the custom Reshade preset that I'll be using in this video. Make sure you've downloaded both files before continuing because we'll need them in the next step. Installation. Now open your Deadpool installation folder. Locate the Binaries folder, the same folder where the game's executable file is located. Open it. Now simply extract or copy all of the preset files into this folder. If Windows asks you to replace any files, just follow the instructions that come with the preset you're using. Once the files are copied, the installation is complete. There's nothing else you need to modify. Activate Reshade. Now launch Deadpool. The very first time you start the game after installing Reshade, it may take a little longer to load. That's completely normal, so don't close the game or think something went wrong. Once you're in-game, press the Home key on your keyboard. The Reshade overlay will appear. If it's your first time opening it, complete the quick setup, then select the preset you copied into the game folder. As soon as it's enabled, you'll immediately notice the visual improvement. Before versus after. Now here's the difference. This is the original version of Deadpool, and this is the game with the Reshade preset enabled. Notice how the colors are more vibrant, the lighting feels much more natural, shadows look deeper, and the overall image appears cleaner and sharper. It's a simple upgrade, but it makes the game feel surprisingly fresh without changing the gameplay. If you enjoyed this guide or found it helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more Deadpool guides, graphics mods, PC fixes, and optimization tutorials. If you run into any issues during installation, let me know in the comments and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.